How to download a backup only of your email, FTP, or database through DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now go to the Advanced Features section, and click the Create Restore Backups icon. Through this site backup interface, you can select specific portions of your account to backup. You can also select the specific domain from here. If you want to create the backup of FTP only, uncheck all other options, and leave the FTP option checked. Once ready, click Create Backup. It sends a message on the successful creation of the backup. Go back to the main page, and scroll down to the Support and Help section. Click the Support Center icon and look for the message. The backup is ready. Now let's go to the File Manager and download the backup to our computer. To download the backup, open the Backups folder and look for the downloaded backup file. Right-click the generated backup file, and select the Download option. Select the Save File option and click OK. The download of the backup is complete. Thank you for watching.